Is your VW Tiguan key fob from 2017-2019 models not working? It's likely the battery. These fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Gently pry open the fob case by inserting the tool into the seam and twisting. Be careful not to break the internal clips. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity, positive side up. Insert the new battery and snap the case back together. High-quality lithium batteries like Panasonic CR2032 are recommended for longevity, lasting 2 to 3 years. After replacing the battery, test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure the remote lock and unlock functions work properly. If the fob still doesn't work, reprogramming may be necessary. This can be done at a VW dealership for $50 to $100. Avoid using metal tools when opening the fob, as they can damage the circuit board. Use plastic pry tools instead. If the circuit board is damaged, repair can cost upwards of $200. Cold weather and frequent use can shorten the battery's lifespan. Consider using premium batteries to prevent corrosion and extend the fob's lifespan. While newer VW models use digital keys, battery replacement remains the primary fix for 2017-2019 Tiguans. Keep your fob away from moisture during battery replacement to prevent internal damage.